Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, again, I'm gonna be trying a wig, and this time is from Ashimary Hair, and I am bringing color, a pop of color to this video, and I am really excited. I really love this wig. It's my first time trying a wig that has some pop of color, and I absolutely love it. Like, I want to try more. So I did some extra work to the wig because I felt like it needed it. I bleached the knots on the black part of the wig. I tried to avoid the pink part at the front, but of course I got some product on it. And these are the products that I used for bleaching the knots. That's what I always used. And then I washed it with some purple shampoo, and I proceed to flat iron it again after it was completely dry. I made sure to put some heat protectant. This is the one I use, and I also use my wax stick with my hot comb to make sure the front is also laying flat.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me, nobody else had a clue.
After I'm done customizing the wig, I moved on into the installation. For installation, I'm gonna be using ebine lace spray per usual. You guys know that's my favorite lace glue to use because it's easier to remove and it allows me to try several wigs in the same day. I cut the sides of the wig so it can fit around my ears, and then I did 3 sections like you guys already know that I always do, so I can go ahead and start gluing the wig. I also did about 3 to 4 layers of ebine lace spray, and I made sure to dry in between layers to make sure I get that tacky consistency that's gonna allow the lace to glue to my skin. I also did put some foundation on the lace. I forgot to show that part, but I did put some foundation on the inside of the wig to make sure it matches with my skin. It's a very important step also. After gluing the whole wig, I'm gonna take my blow dryer in a cold setting and a rat tail comb, and I'm gonna keep pressing the wig into my skin until it's completely dry, and then I'm gonna cut my excess lace in the front. I like to use an eyebrow razor because it gives me the best result, but you can go ahead and use whatever you feel comfortable with. I just feel like the razor gives you more of that zigzag effect that we're looking for. After I'm done cutting the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit more of the ebine lace spray to make sure I fix any type of lifting. I also use my rat tail comb to make sure I can press in any little, detail that need to be fixed. After I'm done fixing any minor issue with the wig, I go ahead and I put my elastic band. I'm gonna keep the hair straight because I love how it looks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a few more passes of the hot comb, and I'm gonna use some powder to make my hairline more realistic and stuff. I am honestly in love. The hair, it's so beautiful. The color is so well done. Like, the lace is not tinted with the pink, but the hair just looks amazing. This was an amazing job, and it was so easy to install. It also came pre-plugged, so I honestly didn't even do that much plucking in the front. It was really a beautiful wig. And I'm gonna have all the details for this wig and for Ashimary Hair's website on my description box, so make sure to check it out. Don't miss out. There's a lot of discounts going around right now, and you don't want to miss that. This is everything for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check my other social media, Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys on my next video. Happy holidays. Bye. Mwah.